Welcome to Live in and As Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksha. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light, and love flowing. Live in and as light messages. We've got 3 cards today, and the first message is the initiation. Rite of passage, crossing the threshold. Some of the most sacred initiation chambers and temples look scary from the outside, but are breathtakingly beautiful on the inside. This represents the journey that the soul pilgrim is required to take to reach somewhere sacred, but only the initiated can enter. Perhaps that's where you are right now. You are being tested, initiated, because you are headed somewhere sacred. Initiations require that we cross the threshold from one world or state of being to the next. We are called to face what scares us and have to be willing to lose it all in order to gain a new way of being, of safety, of security, of depth, of meaning. Initiations like rites of passages mark the shift from one age to the next and can take place because of emotional turmoil, great loss, grief, or devastation. But it is through the seeming hardship that our heart cracks open and our spirit is invested to step forward. We take the sacred voyage into more of who we are and who we came here to be. It can be painful and scary, but once we begin the journey, we can be more ourselves than ever before. If you are in the middle of an initiation right now, you will get through it, and one day soon, you will bless the thing that broke you down and cracked you open because the world needs you open. You are going somewhere sacred. It will be worth it. And you're closer than you think. This is an action card, and the action is rite of passage, cross the threshold. Especially now, lot of us are facing lot of trauma and tragedies, and some of us are going through immense grief. Rumi says that the wound is where the light enters. So some of the light workers have taken deep trauma in order to serve here for the ascension of earth. And this is a message that as your soul is expanding and as you're serving the collective, you are being taken to the next level, somewhere very sacred. And just hang on, hold on. That's the message. Our second message today is the Holy Spirit speaks through me today. The Holy Spirit's voice is as loud as your willingness to listen. And our third message today is the ever unfolding rose cracked open. It's happening for you, not to you. This is a confirmation card. So if you're looking for some validation or confirmation, then this is your message. And the message is the challenge of life is to keep your heart open when you most want to close it, to let life crack you open, to open through hurt and loss, to allow what is falling away to fall away. Being human is a courageous act. A life well lived is full of losses and tragedies as much as triumphs and adventures. Wherever you find yourself at the moment, life is coaxing you to keep your heart open no matter how much it hurts, to continually unfold, to let life crack you open. Perhaps you are going through a difficult time right now. Instead of cursing the difficulty, see it as a blessing. To open yourself up to the truth that perhaps, as hard as it may be, life is happening for you, not to you. And one day, in the not too distant future, you may just bless the thing that broke you down and cracked you open because the world needs you open. Now is the time to go gently, to treat yourself like a tender, sweet baby, to wrap yourself in a blanket and trust that mother has you cradled in her arms. The seas may not all be smooth sailing, but you are safe and you are held. One day, not too far from today, you will look back at the transformation and be blown away by the poetry of life. Everything is going to be okay. So, this is a confirmation for you that everything is going to be okay. Let it crack you open. So, this is a confirmation that let life unfold for you. You may be facing very difficult or challenging times in life, and I know I have gone through it, so I can speak from my experiences. How much ever difficulties and challenges you go through life, you're always held by the divine, and your higher self knows what is the plan for you for this lifetime. So, whatever is happening, just have this absolutely solid confirmation that everything is going to be okay. You are being held. So, those are the messages for today. Lots of love.